Greetings, everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create an account on Bitget and complete KYC authentication. Feel free to follow each step at your own pace. By signing up through the link provided in the description, you can receive a 50% trading fee discount, 20% cashback, and exclusive bonus rewards. For that reason, I strongly recommend using that specific link to register. First, let's begin with creating your account. Click the link to access the Bitget sign-up page directly. You may register using either your email address or mobile phone number. When creating your password, ensure it contains at least 8 characters, including uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. There will also be a field for entering a referral code. Please enter the code *3 in that section. Using the code *3 allows you to receive the 50% fee discount, 20% cashback, and additional promotional benefits. After filling in all the required information, agree to the terms and conditions at the bottom of the page. Then click the Create Account button to proceed. Follow the instructions in the top right corner and select the correct images as prompted. Next, check your email or phone and enter the verification code you received. Your Bitget account is now successfully created. Second, let's move on to the KYC identity verification process. You must complete this step in order to deposit, withdraw, and start trading. Since facial recognition is required, using a mobile device is recommended. First, install the Bitget app on your smartphone. Once installed, open the app and tap Get Started. Log in using the same account credentials you created earlier. Tap the Verify button located in the center of the screen. A message will appear indicating the process takes about 5 minutes. Tap Verify now to continue. Select your nationality from the list. Then choose the country or region where you currently reside. Next, select the type of ID you wish to use for verification. Choose the document you currently have available. In this example, we will use a passport. Tap Next to proceed. Prepare your ID, and tap I'm ready when you are prepared. When prompted, select Take a picture to capture your document. If using a passport, ensure the photo and information page fits clearly within the frame. After that, you will complete a facial recognition scan. Position your face within the frame and follow the instructions, such as blinking or nodding. Once completed, your KYC application will be submitted successfully. The review process typically takes about 1 hour. You will receive a notification once your verification is approved. Finally, let's enhance your account security by enabling two-factor authentication. Return to the Bitget website on your PC. Hover over the profile icon at the top right corner. Select Security from the drop-down menu. We will set up 2FA using Google Authenticator. Click Configure next to Google Authenticator. The setup page will appear. If you haven't installed the app yet, download Google Authenticator from your App Store. Open the app and tap the plus icon at the bottom. Then, choose the option to scan a QR code. Use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on the Bitget website. After scanning, a 6-digit code will appear in the app. Now enter this 6-digit code into the Google Authenticator code field on the Bitget website. Finally, click Submit to wrap up the setup. Your Google Authenticator is now activated, and your account security is fully enhanced. Today, we have covered the full process of registering and verifying your Bitget account. Be sure to use the link in the description to receive your trading fee discounts. If this guide was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.